Hey, Follow Up family. In this video, I'm going to show you a new feature to quickly update projects within the system. So here you can see we have a new grid-like feature. This allows us to click on the field that we want to update without going into the project. So let's say this file right here, Advanced Integration Technologies, I bid a project to them. I can come in here and say, this job was $5,000 and that's it. The project has been updated and you can move on to the next one. Now, if I click into the project by clicking on the project name, you'll see the base bid has been automatically updated. So that's how you quickly update a project right from your dashboard. This also works on the project tab as well. And you can see here, if you need to update the status of a job, you can come in and click on that project and update it right within the project's field without having to click into the project. Happy selling.